Good afternoon guys, this is your Pilyong Maestro. Finally nakagawa din ako ng vlog ko. It's a long time na hindi ako gumagawa ng vlog eh. Medyo na busy sa mismong pag NBA cards. But now, ito, food trip kami ni Mrs. I'm here sa mismong Papa RJ's pizza house, which is New York Pizza. Check out, no, yung mismo kakainin namin ni Mrs. later on, no, which is I think pang ilang beses ko na to. Regular na ako dito. It's a countless time na talaga namang kumain ako dito. And ayun nga, together with the Mrs. and also my son, no, talaga namang kumain kami dito na talaga namang we love yung mismong inahain nila. One of my favorite dito is yung pizza, no, yung 4 cheese pizza or 5 cheese pizza, only here dito sa mismong RJ, Papa RJ Pizza. Saan to located? Located ito sa Apalit, sa Villena Subdivision, along the MacArthur Highway, yung kanto, punta Villena. Sa harap niya ito, GRS Express. Ayan, yung mismong landmark na masasabi ko sa inyo. And check in yung kanto na sinasabi ko, no? And also the Villena Subdivision. Okay, so tara, tingnan natin, no? Tikman natin yung mismong kakainin namin ni Mrs. Okay. Okay, now, natapos na po akong umorder, Now, I'm together with Wilson at saka Michael. Si Michael, ayan, ayan, ginagawa na nila yung pizza. Tignan nyo, how they create their pizza, Talaga namang, sabi nga nila, ayan, hold, and enjoy, So, ayan, talagang with their hands, talaga namang ginagawa. And, for sure, yung taste, talaga naman, later on, we will surely, 110% we will love it, So, yan sila, Michael, Ayan, check. Ayan, yung pa nila yan. Check how they made their pizza. Okay? So, dito lang, Papa RJ's. Okay? Ito na po yung mismo in-order po natin. So this is the 4 cheese pizza. And we have here the ano tawag dito ang limagan, mami? Sausage, Hungarian sausage. Nakalimutan ko. This is the Hungarian sausage. This is one of my favorite. That's why tinatlo ko, dalawa sa akin, sa kay Mrs. And then I have a fries. Sad to say, walang chicken. No, oo. That's also my favorite chicken, the parmesan, the garlic parmesan chicken nila. And I want to try also yung sriracha. Medyo wala pa daw delivery of chicken. Pero to tell you, I recommend na talaga namang I can say na kung rating ko to, nasa 10 ang ratings. Although hindi ganun kalaki ang pwesto, pero pwede makapag-dine in, check. no? Ayan sila. Pero I can say, talaga naman, if you want a great food, a great taste, and yung taste nyo pang Italian, American, well, I recommend, come over here in RJ's Pizza, and I will tell you na hindi nyo, no, talaga pagsisisihan. Okay? Again, this is Sean Kilometro. Sibog muna ako, ano? Later on, out na din, ano? So, di pa ako magla-lunch sigurado, ubos to mamaya. Ano? Sige, bye-bye! Yun, busog na. Ubos. Okay? Kita nyo naman, no? Jampa. Jesus. Okay, nakalahati na namin yung pizza. Wala na yung sausage. Okay, so talaga naman, napaka